G'day legends, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. I'm back. Today we have a 2013 Holden Colorados. This shape ran from the 1st of 2012 to the 9th of 2013. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a manual 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror, left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear wheel, 16-inch rim, steel, good tyre. Left rear door, no dents. Left front door, 1 dent. Right front wheel, 16-inch rim, steel, good tyre. Right front door trim, right front master switch, center console, gear shifter, heat AC controls, head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, sun damaged on the top, leather steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons.